invited sa
a trailblazer in her field.
Warm welcome to Tony Miranda.
First thing you'd like to revisit for the answer. So, let's begin by revisiting the basics. Arrangement. Try nyo lang i-recall. Maybe the second.
Wow, wala sa'yo pa. Perfect.
Yeah. Potential is a reflection of the quality of habits that you have. Write down how do you want to be remembered. I used to be in that. Something na gusto nyo i-request, we have a different
Ako naman na, gusto ko ayun lang.
Now, how do we help each other at yung kasamahan and you to love ourselves? Embrace yourself. Some of you are even doubting why you are the performance in 2026 year. Your worth is not dependent on 7 P's, position, people, your control. So if you're trying to control something out of the talent is right? If you are feeling to be very difficult. Okay, now let's go down. Pinatibay ka na lahat ng challenges sa buhay mo. Okay? Yung isa sa naman, ilang ka mo yan. Ayan na, okay na siya, okay na na. You can actually rise above that. That is a belief. Parang nagdaman ko. As I play the song. The Lord knows what you are doing. Challenges won't stop, right? Challenges are inevitable, but you are designed. You are designed to what? Bear greatly. Only when you remember